Hello, I'm Michelle Park here with the weather forecast. The nation has been looking up to clear skies with a lot of sunshine, which has warmed up many regions, especially over in the southern provinces. Now, the sunny conditions in the capital were paired with strong winds, with Gangwon-do province even receiving strong wind advisory. Now, these winds will soon be met with a warm air front, and which will cause sudden showers in both Gyeonggido and also Gangwon-do provinces later at night. But it will be short-lived rain, as sunny conditions and hot conditions will dominate over the forecast for the next few days. And tomorrow is going to be windy as today, with Seoul starting out the morning at 12 degrees Celsius, while Daegu and Busan hits 13 and 14 degrees respectively. And by the afternoon, the mercury will rise up to 25 degrees in Seoul, while the southern regions such as Gwangju and Busan will top to 24 degrees. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.